myself, architect Joesph Sebastian. I'm representing my father, Mr. Sebastian here. I have to speak a few words about this Audi. It's been with our family for a while, 6 years, and we have a lot of memories associated with this car. This is my father's daily driver and is very happy with this vehicle. And I have to mention a special mention about the service, the dealer before and the current dealer, PPS Motors. You keep doing a beautiful job. It's only due to your quality service we are able to keep this car moving ahead and ahead, clearing all our doubts and all our concerns. And we never had to worry about anything. Every single thing in this car has been taken care of. A huge applause to the team, service team of Audi. Thank you so much.
Audi.